Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also again I came with another video. Today my topic is Terim brand medium sized dishwasher. That dishwasher actually is not working at all. That means this touch panel not working. You can see here handle also not available. Anyway, we will go to the next step and we will check what is the exactly problem with this machine. Now I already given power connection. Now you can see here it's making noise also very badly. That one also we have to do some lubricant. And anyway, now I already given power connection. You can see here it's not touching. It's not here power. I'm not able to switch in on. Now anyway, we have to remove the here this area and we will check what is the exact problem. First I will remove the front panel. You can see, dear friends, now I already removed. It's already repaired. I have to check here, it is already covered. Now we have to remove here. I will remove these screws. Now I can take it out. Just here you can see here, this is the touch panel actually. Here lock, through locks we can remove here. Now you can see here, it is too much corroded here. We have to clean this one. After here it is already moisture, that's why it's not working actually. Now we will do one thing, we will clear here this one. You can see here already corroded. And we will clean and we will fix. If it is working, we have to seal properly. After fixing this cover, no need stick. Here we can seal with some glue. After that our problem will get resolved. Anyway, now I have to fix here some lubricant because it's too much noise. And we have to remove the side cover also. First of all, we will do this one. Also, I am trying to fix my handle here because handle not available. It's too much corroded. I'm using sandpaper. Now you can see, dear friends, it is already I clean. This one we have to check again. But my advice, don't use to remove here this dirty or corrosion anything. with the sandpaper or sharpen things. This carbon, it is here, it's carbon. If it is gone, it's not touching again. Because of that, very careful we have to do this job. And again I'm telling, don't use the anything with the sharpen or sandpaper, because it's lubricant here, the carbon will go, it's not touching again. Because of that, now we can check also. I'm going to clean this space also with the brush. I will use here contact cleaner. I'm going to use the contact cleaner here. With the serviette paper or tissue, don't use the rough thing. This tissue paper, it's okay. Now dear, we can check. I already cleaned here. Now I will fix before, as same before, I have to check. I have to fix properly here. Now it's okay. Door lock, it will come like that. Before fix the cover, here it will come like that. Before fixing, I have to, if it is working, I have to put some glue here. After that, no need to any sticker or something. I have to cover it here, because again this will come moisture because of that. Now anyway, we will check one time with the power. If it is working, we can complete the job. And I will give the power connection. I will keep like that. Yes dear, it is working. Yes, it is okay. Yes my dear, it's touching all, no problem. Now I have to put some glue, silicone or something, because again its moisture will go. It's coming as a repeat job. It's not nice for us. Because of that, anyway, now I will shut down the power again. I have to fix here the handle also, because I have to put some alternative handle. Dear friends, now I'm going to fix handle also. I got the measurement here. Here it will come like that. After fixing, it will be okay. Now I have to remove this old one. All screw only here. I can use the same, which is I remove. This is thread already. It is same. Because of that, I can use this one. Same screw I can use. Like that here. Yes, it's not touching with the body because having space, because of that nothing to worry. I can tie it now. Don't tie it too much because this glass will break. Also is it tempered glass. Now you can see, dear friends, after fixing it will come like that. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix with the glue here. I will fix silicone. After that it's not making moisture again. We have to seal here. We have to fix it like that. Now I'm using glue here. Now we can fix here door lock. It will come with the other screws. Now we have to fix here screws. Only 1, 2, 3 screws only. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix here some grease because it's too much noisy. Now finally I can fix the door. You can see here I fixed the door handle also. Now I will give the power connection, also water connection, and we will check one cycle if it is working or not, and we will go to the next step. Just here, now we will check again finally. Now I close the door. Also, yes, it is working fine. I will select here rapid 43 minutes. It's light, echo, intensive. I will select rapid option. 43 minutes, and I will on the machine. I already given water connection also. We will check. Drain pump already working. It's start already. Yes dear, you can hear the noise. It's water already taken to the machine. Now it's showing 41 minutes remaining time through the display. We will check one cycle. After that we can complete our job. We will wait until we will wait until start to wash. After that I will finish my job. Yes dear friends, now you can see here it is already decreased the time 10 minutes 15 minutes now already. Now it is showing 35 minutes. I will open the door slowly. Yes dear friends, now you can see here it is already decreased the time 10 minutes 15 minutes now already. Now it is showing 35 minutes. I will open the door slowly. One time don't open the door. You can see here it is selecting 95 degree 90. It is very harmful, because of that I am telling. Now machine is running well. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.